Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the first tutorial. My name is Ogunwoolugbenga. And for those that have been following me in the past, I drop content on website designing and how to make money online. So today I'll be teaching us on how we can set up a courier shipping website. This courier shipping website has a lot of features. You can select different languages, and it has a live map, tracking ID, and it's going to show the products you are sending out of the country. So that is how the script works. As you can see here, for air freight, sea, road, fast. So this script can be used for many purposes, and it has outstanding features. So in this video, you can be able to track and trace your order. So I'll be showing us on how we can install the script step by step. Now let's get ourselves ready. So the first thing we'll be needing here is our domain and hosting. So I personally recommend this hosting company because they are reliable, fast and secured, and their customer services is outstanding. So to start with, let me look for a name. Let's say I'm looking for the Courier, and I click on search. So it's going to load up. So from here, I'm going to pick any of the services. So if you are watching from Nigeria, you can choose any currency of your choice, either you want Naira, but I'm going with USD. So this will only cost me $18 for this .com domain. So our domain is available. From here, what am I going to do? Click on add to cart. So from here, I'm going to add a hosting. So let me explore their package. So I'm going to explore the package, and so we have the basic, we have the small, ultimate, and we have the standard. So I can just do what? Pick any of the package. So I can go for this one because it's going to be able to carry the script I'm about to upload. It's okay for it, and their uptime is 99.9%. I've been using them for a very long time now, and I recommend it for you to use. So I'm going to add this to it, and from here, and I will. Okay, this is the domain we picked. Click on use. From here, I'll click on continue to continue from here. So as you can see, I'm going to pick 12 months. And 12 months is going to cost me around $18. Scroll down. If you want any additional services, you can pick from here. I'll click on continue. Click on continue. And yes. So from here, I want my domain name, server management. I want ID protection, and I want email forwarding. And I click on continue from here. So this is where the bonus comes in. So we are given a promotional code, and I want you to apply this promotional code upon your checkout. So this thing is going to cost us $40, but if you input the promotional code, which is what? The DEP40. That's a short name of our YouTube channel, DEP40. If you validate the code, it's going to reduce our checkout fee. Can you see now? It's going to cost us $34.60 instead of $40. That means we have a discount of $6 on what we are buying. And another bonus is you'll be getting the script free of charge if you purchase with our promotional code. If you purchase with our promotional code, you'll be getting this script free of charge. Free of charge. So all you have to do is to look at the link in the description below, send me a screenshot that I've gotten the script. I'm going to send this file to you for free without collecting a dime from you. So from here, we just click on checkout. We click on checkout. It's going to tell us that okay, we need to put in our informations, and we are going to use their payment gateway. Currently, they are accepting Flutterwave as a payment gateway, and I believe with your credit card, you're able to purchase from them. So that is about that. So I'm going to log into my client area since I have an account with them already, and I've posted a lot of websites with them. I'm going to log into my client area, and I'm going to continue from there. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this domain. From here, I'll click on this, and I'm going to upload a script just to show us on how it works. So from here, and I'll scroll down. I will click on File Manager. Click on File Manager. So it's loading up. So from my file manager here, I'm going to scroll down, click on public underscore HTML. And as we can see here, we have some scripts here, but I'm not going to use here. But if you are using public underscore HTML, this is where I'm going to upload your script. Under public underscore HTML, we're going to see some CGB bin or some file inside. If you are purchasing your server fresh, just click on select all and you see delete it. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create a folder inside this one. I'll create a folder and I'm going to call it Courier. As you can see, let me use a small letter so that it's not going to. I call this Courier and I create folder. So I want to upload that script for this tutorial inside this folder. But if you are doing it for a client, don't create a folder, just upload it straight inside public underscore HTML. As you can see, there's an upload here. So, but as for me, I'm going to look for my Courier that I just created. I will open it. So this is how the blank page is supposed to be. So I'm going to upload it here. Click on upload, and I'm going to pick up the file from my laptop. Select file, and I'm going to pick it from my documents. Using my document, and I'll look for Crest Courier. I have the script. Okay, a minute. Sorry, let me look for it. Okay, I have it here, and I'm going to upload it. So as it is uploading, the next thing is for us to do what? Is to create our database. Now I'm going to go back here. I'll click here to create database. So what am I going to do from here? Just to do what? Search for database. I search for database. Click on my SQL database wizard. I clicked on it. So it's going to load up. And so since you are dealing with Courier, let me just type Courier here. Can you see? So this is our database name. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to use the same name for our database user. And I click on next step. So it's going to load up for us, and from here I'm going to paste the same name because that's what I want to use. Password generate. Let me generate password. Okay, copy this password and put in your notepad. I copy this, I open my notepad, and I paste it in my notepad because we are still going to use it in the future. So from here I'll click on I accept. I have copied this password in the same place. Click on use password and click on create user. Don't forget, put your password in a notepad because you're still going to use it. Highlight your database user and database name, copy it and put them in your notepad. These are the only three things we'll be needing. So we'll be needing the password, we'll be needing the user and the database name. So from here, I'll click on all privileges. Make sure that everything here is marked. As you can see, click on next step. Click on next step, and so successfully we have created our database. The next thing is to create our PHP myadmin. That's where we are going to upload our SQL file. Type PHP myadmin. So I type PHP myadmin. So it's loading up. So it's going to redirect us to a page. So that the database name we created the other time is what? Courier. Just click on it. I click on the Courier, and so we are here now. So what are we going to do from here is to what? Click on imports. Are you getting it now? So for us to get the SQL file, come back to the script you just uploaded. So if it's showing this green, it means that the file is uploaded correctly. But if it's showing another thing, you have to upload it again. So since you have uploaded successfully, let me click here to go back to our file manager, and I'm going to extract the file. So from here, just click on it and right click. You know what I did? Right click, extract. So we are extracting the file in the folder we created, which is Courier. But if you not create any folder that you just upload directly inside your public underscore HTML, you have to remove the name. It will remain just public underscore HTML, just this one alone. So /Courier extract file. So it's showing inflating, that means the file has uploaded. So click on close. You need to reload to see the file you have uploaded. So let's remove this zip file. Don't need it anymore. Confirm. You have to open this one now. So we have our files ready here. So to able to, you need to move this file into our folder, which is Courier. Click on select all. click on move. So we need to remove this crest Courier. It will remain only public underscore HTML/Courier. Can you see? Click on move file. I click on move file. It's going to move everything down into our folder. Now let me reload it. So for me to access it now, to come back to my public underscore HTML, and I will open our Courier. Can you see? Yes, our file is here. Don't forget, we want to upload our SQL file into our PHP So we have to scroll down to look for our SQL file. So how do you locate your SQL file? So we have to look for it around here. Let me check inside database. Okay, this is our SQL file. Just click on right click and download. Right click and download. Save up. It's showing 5 because I have downloaded this multiple times. Now let's go back to our PHP admin and we upload our SQL file. Click on choose file. The one we just downloaded right now. Let's look for it. This is it here. I will click on open. Scroll down, click on import. And yes, it has imported successfully. Let me click on Courier. And let's quickly check the admin so that we can have the admin access. So this is our admin login and the admin password is 123456. So from here, what are we now going to do? We have to come back to our file manager. We need to link our database to our file. So what am I going to do from here? Come back to our Courier once again. And you scroll down to where you see db.php, that means database.php. Right click on edit. Now we need to edit our database. As you can see, we need to change this database. So database username, you have to change it. Database password, you have to change, and database name, you have to change it. So what am I going to do? You have to come back to here, copy your password first. So we copy this. Where's the password? So we have to highlight, just follow my step. I remove this and I press Ctrl V to paste. Can you see? And the next thing is to put our database user and database name. So Ctrl C to copy, and database name, I double click, I paste. Database user, I double click and I paste it. So we are good to go like this. As you can see, click on save changes. Click on save changes, and now we have done all the necessary things we need to do. Now let's check the site we just uploaded. We have essd.com.ng/Courier. Don't forget we created a folder for it. Let's press enter to see maybe what you have done really worked or not. So it's loading up, and let's wait to see what you have done. Good. Our website is live, and you can see that everything is working perfectly. No file is missing. Everything is working perfectly. So for easy access, if you want to access the admin dashboard, so we're just going to put /admin, press enter, and don't forget our admin username and password is what? Admin 123456. So let's check this out to access our admin dashboard. So it's loading up. Let's wait for it to load. So we type admin and we type 12. So let me type the password 123456. As you can see, let's sign in. So from here you can able to ship clients goods out there, and you can able to track their goods whatever the location it is, and they can able to track it. So I'm going to test the tracking area. So we have a demo tracking ID here, so we can just copy this to check. So I have this, so let me just let me open it again and let's try it out. So we are logged into our so I've copied the tracking ID. So let's track this to see maybe truly the track and trace is really working. from here I'm going to put a tracking ID here. I'm going to paste the one that came with it just to check. Now let's check it. As you can see, good. And they said on hold December 31st, so they can able to track it, they can even print the receipts, and they can check the live map. Can you see now? So just send the tracking ID to the client. They're able to track the the goods that have been sent to them. A black big bag, so catch, so delivery time 8:30, departure, so a lot of features attached to it. So from the admin dashboard, you can able to add tracking, accounts, info, settings. You can add email notification to it through your settings here. So that is how this script works. Don't forget I said that if you're able to use our promotional code that's given to us, DEP40, when you patronize this hosting. So once you can use this hosting to set up your website, just send us screenshot and go to have access to this script free of charge. Thank you so much, and God bless you as you watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to other people so that we can have more engagement. As you are watching this video, if you like this video, YouTube will also watch